Hi, my name is Roger Arriaga, and this is my app. It's called Resume Builder. Um, and the purpose of my app, pretty self-explanatory. It's just helping you build a resume, right? Um, and the target audience for this app is really anyone who's trying to build a resume, but in specific, I had students in mind who need resumes for their first job or for colleges. And What inspired me to create this app is I remember when I was trying to make my resume at first, I didn't really know how to do it, and everywhere that I found help, it either wanted to charge me, or it didn't really help me. It kind of just told me what I needed on there, but not how to list it and how I should list it and what should I aim for. And that's kind of just the purpose of my app to help people to create like a more user-friendly way of building resume. Um, my app is really just trying to help people get over that speed bump of creating a resume before they get a job and before they get college, because I know it can be a little off-putting and it kind of makes people not want to apply to places because they don't know how to make a resume. Um, so the coding language and the website that I use here is this code.org. So the coding language is block coding, and this is all my code right here. I'm gonna run through it real quick. It's just really simple coding. It's just on event setting screens. Um, and I'm just going to show how the app works real quick. So we just run through it. Um, this is just the beginning. It's kind of telling people what they need, just like name, date of birth, and a brief bio that summarizes a professional personality. Um, and then this one is really important. I know a lot of people worry about having work experience and not having work experience, but from what I've seen and from the resumes that I've helped my friends write, not having work experience isn't a deal breaker. You just need to know how to list it on your resume, and that's really what this aims to help you do. And it kind of guides you to putting coursework as examples of work for your resume. Um, and skills, I think, is another part that's really underappreciated. So, for example, a lot of people are people persons, and they might think their skills don't apply, but they do. And it's just a matter of knowing how to list them. So, for example, you can describe yourself as skilled in communications, customer relations, speaking, team building, team cooperation, and you can even describe yourself skilled in whatever languages you know. And this last section is just for references. That way, it tells people how to list references and how to know who to put down as a reference. And that's all there is to it. That's my app resume builder. And thank you.